Hello students, welcome to computer class. Today we will further learn about operating a computer. First we will learn how to open gedit, the text editor in Ubuntu. First we will click here. This is dash icon, click it and write down gedit, 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 and this is your text editor. Double click it and your editor is open. Now let us learn the components of gedit. Now this is topmost bar of gedit. It is called title bar. Here the name of the text document is written. Now here we have not given any name to this document, that's why it is showing untitled document 1. Next is maximize button. Now here you can see maximize button. If you click it, you can increase the size of the text editor. Now if I'm clicking it, yes, now you can see the screen is full. Yes, right? So this way we can increase the size of the window, text editor window. Next is moving the text editor. Moving the text editor. Now this is your text editor gedit window. From the title bar, just click your mouse here and you can move your window anywhere on your screen. Okay. So basically gedit is for typing work. So anything you can type. I'm typing my name and then you can save it on desktop. Click on save button and here you will write your file name. Write third class and then click here save button. So it is all about gedit. Now next topic is how to shut down the computer. So how we will shut down the computer? As you can see here, there is a system setting button, right? You will click here. Yes, click here and there is an option shut down, right? Click here and you will click on shut down and it is shutting down. Switch off the UPS. Here you can see after switching on the monitor of the desktop, you have to switch off the UPS of your system. Then it will properly switch off. So this is all about this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day and keep learning.